Hey guys, it's me, Muhaba Sinu, and of course, today we are back with a continuation of our discussion. And you know the vibe. Anytime I show during the weekend, it simply means we are trying to keep the vibe. You know the vibe. Like I said in my previous video, we used our Saturday, Sunday to prepare ourselves for the top trade we will be looking forward to trade for the week. So instead of just wasting our weekend to do other things. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what you do during the weekend, but I use it to do my trade analysis. So, guys, this is what we do. This is how we want to keep the consistency. And of course, if you want to become profitable in the forest industry, you need to try as much as possible to be consistent. And that is what the pro traders usually make us to understand. Consistency. I think if there is anything out there in trading that has been overflogged, that has been said with the highest numbers of rating, it will be consistency, right? I think if you agree with that, just let me know. If you agree with that, just let me know. I think consistency is what is overrated in this industry, like overrated by any professional trader out there. They will tell you you have to be consistent about your risk management, you have to be consistent about your entry, you have to be consistent about your exit, you have to be consistent. Consistency is key. So today we'll be looking at the pairs across our body. Major pair, cross pair, and probably some exotic pair. So guys, let's go into the chart. Let's check this out. Start from Euro USD. Euro USD from weekly perspective, you can look at it and make high, low, high. So and it's back to this place. We don't know, maybe it's going to break it again. And if you look at it from monthly perspective, it's a downtrend trade. If you look at it, it has been coming down, make this low, and it's back to this zone. So at this particular point in time, we don't know, but we don't know what is going to happen. Am I going to take this trade? No. I want a decision to be made from this very point. This market is coming back to this place. After, if it starts changing direction from here, that is where I'll start looking for this trade. And if it breaks, retest, that is when I'll start looking for this trade. That is my opinion. That is what I'm looking at this Euro USD. So looking at AUD USD, I don't think I'll be having trade here too. AUD USD, I'm not having trade here. So on GBP USD, what I'm going to do on daily perspective, you see they have been ranging between these two sides. So I'll just wait for a break and retest. I'll take that shot. Even though I know that this place is also a dangerous place, but I like space. So I'll wait a break in H4. That break will be happening in H4. So the moment it break and we'll have a retest, I'll take the shot to this place. So that is exactly what I'll be doing on this space. So moving to GJ, just for next week. Remember, guys, we are just still looking for trade for next week. I'm not going to waste my time and start looking for any other thing. I know this trade will take like maybe the whole of next week to even get to this place, but I'm not doing anything around inside of this box. I can only do something outside of this box. Break, retest, and go. Break, it just break a little bit. In that retest, I'll take it to this place. So that is what I'm just looking at. I'm not going to do anything inside of this box. I know the whole of next week will be inside of here. So let's go to like yen, euro, JPY, USD, JPY. Like euro, JPY now, I will be looking for. You see that very box I'm marking here. I'm feeling that this trade will move all the way to this point. Like we'll move all the way to this place. That is what I'm feeling, because if you look at the daily trend, you see high, low, high is higher than here, low, high, and we pull all the way back to this place. So the trend is still valid. So the more we break here, what do you expect? It will be going up. But for now, looking at, I still believe we still have some little space to this place. So that is where I'll be looking for my trade potential. I'll just wait for a pullback I have a pullback to this place like this, a pullback to this place, then I'll look for entry around the side, then we take it up to this place. So this, you see this box here, this is a counter area. It's a counter area. Okay, it's a counter area, but I don't take trade counter area. This is why I say it's a counter area, and it's a very strong counter area for that matter. Look at it. When you're looking at it, we're in H4. When you are looking at it, you see the trend has been maintaining itself. High, low, then we make a high here, and we make a low, and make a high. So there is something that used to happen, like sometimes market will just invalidate a particular structure, and you just think that it has changed trend. Nothing, it has not changed trend. You look at the bigger picture, the trend is still valid. Like this movement here is just a daily movement down to this place, and it's still valid. So if you consider this very structure that it has changed trend, no, it has not changed trend from upward direction. The upward direction is still valid. But what makes this place a critical zone that I talk about, you see, from this very point here, market went and make a high, and when it try, it hold, and finally it broke, and here it retest it, and it make a new low, and from here it come back and it make a new low, from here it make a new low. So when the market here, it's a combination of support and resistance. So this is how it is, a combination of support and resistance zone. So you see the combination of support and resistance zone. So that is why I said it's a critical counter, but I am not trading counter. Okay, this is what I'm trading. I'm just looking for a space, trade it up to this place. That is what I'm just looking at. So looking at card is simple. This analysis is simple. The trend is still valid. We have ranging here, valid uptrend, one higher low, higher low. Even though I told you about this guy last time in Euro JPY, I told you about Euro JPY. It's something like this. This is a pullback, but this is more decent pullback, and the market is here. We break, we retest, we take down. We come down, we break, we retest, we take it. So that's just it. Break, retest, we take it. Break, retest, we take it. Simple. That's what you are looking at. JBP, JPY, I am not trading this pair. I'm not trading this pair at all. Nothing is not too clean for me, so I leave it. USD JPY, this Euro card, USD JPY. So USD JPY, this particular retest is a good, but it does not it does not agree with my trend movement, but it's still a very strong place that I might potentially look for trading opportunity, because there is a particular strategy I learned as at last year. Last year, I think I used the whole of last year to learn that strategy. But one thing is, I just want a consistency. I just want something that I'll be doing consistently, and that is why I abandoned all this kind of random system of trading. So I want to be trading systematically, even though I know that market could actually do certain things around that area. I wouldn't want to take it, because I don't want to scatter my vibe. I don't want to be trading randomly. Okay, so I want a consistent. I know that, okay, I've done this within a particular period of time, and then I can move to do something else. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So now if you look at it, let's look at the trend. You see this market, if you go to daily time frame, you see this market, look at it, is maintaining a decent movement. That is high, low, high, low, high, and now we are back to this kind, is respecting this previous structure. Now we are back to here, and it breaks. What do you expect? We might test this very place and push all the way to the upside. So I might take this trade. If I see a decent opportunity, I might take that trade. So let's look at some of this pair. USD card, I'm not looking at any trading opportunity from that area, even though I know that this market might move all the way to this point, because I do not see it's having similar structure like, I think, like USD. Yes, it's having similar structure like USD JPY. So it might pull back and then it shoot all the way to the side, or it might even decide to use this point and continue its journey to the upside. and this place is a critical turning point. I don't know if you want to trade it, that is you. I'm not trading it, but if a break it happens, if a break happens and retest, I'll take it. So on the downside, I'll wait for a break of this side. Yes, there is break, retest, and take it. So I'm not doing anything. So let's go and look at other pairs like this pair that I look at. Of course, we still have space. This is a decent counterpoint, but I'm not trading it. I'll wait for a pullback and they will take it. Why am I taking it? Look at this trend. Look at this trend. Look at it. This market has been falling. If you want to understand it, you have to even go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, you see the market is a decent uptrend, and the market is back here, and it looks like look at it come down here, breaking the structure. It's like we are coming down, but I think we might still favor the upside, because if you look at it, you see. Now, if you go to monthly time frame, although that structure is looking like though we might favor, although that structure is looking as though we might favor, although that structure is looking as though we might favor downside, but let's look at the monthly time frame. Look at the monthly time frame, then you understand the picture. Look at the monthly time frame. Look at what it's saying. You understand? So probably we might push all the way to this side. Probably. I'm not saying it will happen, but we might push all the way to this side. So on the weekly perspective, you look at it as though we have broken this structure. Look at it. We make a high, we make a low, and we make a new. Higher low, and we make, let's say, high low, and probably we might come back here, or we even make another low from this side. Okay, but I'm just looking at trade. So that is why I'm marking all those things. So if you look at this daily time frame, I felt that the daily time frame has not actually hit this place. At least let us even hit here before we can even say we are changing trend and coming down. So I don't know, but that is because of that space, little space I see in the daily time frame. That is why I'm feeling that if you retrace here, we might come down here because if you look at it, we move all the way back to this place. We make a high, we make a low, and make a higher high, and I feel that the market cannot from here just start bleeding all the way down. At least let us even touch here. Okay, so a decent counter, but if we come back here, I believe we must still make some sort of push up. So that push up is what I'm looking to trade. So that is that about this trade. Okay, this one I still feel we might come down and make a double bottom. Okay, I think yes. Okay, sorry. This one I still feel that we might still come down and make a double bottom. The same thing. We must still come down and make a double bottom in H4. I am still feeling we might come down and make a double bottom, or we might just decide to make a consolidation because of this guy, and then we push all the way to the upside. So I'm not looking for trade in this area, but if we actually come down and do that double bottom, then I think I will look for trade. Then I'll look for trade. It will now be something like this. Okay, when I get here, we cannot break, then we'll come fail. So that is how I'm just looking at it. But I will not even be trading anything concerning this, because I'm already in this trade. I'm just showing you guys. I'm already in this trade regarding this kind of pair. Look at the trade I am in. I showed you guys in the last video I made that I am in this trade. I got this trade on Friday, and I'm already in this trade. So I'll be holding this trade until it goes here. Until it go up here. This is why I'm going to look forward to take profit. The reason why I'm taking profit there, look at it. Here we have issues around that side. So I believe we are still moving all the way. Look at it. So look at it. You can move to that side. So that is why I'm holding that trade. And I believe we've broken a structure around here, and we're in this trade. So because I'm already in this trade, I will not be looking forward to take any other trade like Euro AUD or Euro NZD. I'm not taking anything because they are basically they are the same thing. When they are going up, every one of them is going up. If they are going down, every one of them is going down. So since I'm already in one already, so since I'm already in one of them, so I'm not looking forward to take any trade from there. So these are the top pairs I am looking forward to trade. So this is my analysis, this is my preparation for next week, and this is exactly what I am going to do next week by His grace. So, guys, so just let me know what you think about this analysis, and just let me know what you think about this analysis, guys. So that's it.